You've been quite critical, scathing, I think, of the government of late, Micheál Martin.
Yes. A do-nothing government led by a do-nothing Taoiseach.
Why are you so critical of them?
Well, I mean, the latest example would be they got elected in November of 2024, published a programme for government in January 25, where they promised to abolish the Dublin airport cap as soon as possible. And 16 months later, absolutely nothing done. You know, it is government by social media. So if there's a big controversy over what the hell did you call them, scooters about 2 weeks ago, with that tragedy in Finglas where the young girl was knocked down. But because it burns up all over social media, the government is jumping up and down. Oh, we have to pass legislation dealing with scooters. Why don't you deal with some of the fundamental problems here, like infrastructure, which is abysmal. You promised to abolish the cap on Dublin Airport, which is holding back the growth of Irish aviation and tourism. 16 months later, you've done nothing. Legislation can happen overnight if you have a 20-seat majority. You run the government. But then Micheál Martin would ought to wander around Bertie like fucking getting his photograph taken. I mean, the last time we were critical, he was down opening up the arrivals terminal at Kerry Airport. What's the fucking Taoiseach doing down in Kerry Airport? Why isn't he up here in Dublin driving forward the agenda for change?